Out of the 67 victims in that tragic crash, we have learned that several of them have ties to Ohio and the tri-state. A prayer service was held today for Grace Maxwell, a student at a small college near Dayton. Mike Schell is live at Cedarville University with more on how the school remembered her today. Mike.
Tricia, we saw just a complete outpouring of emotion and support here at Cedarville University today. This Christian school paid the respects in sorrow over Grace's death.
Hallmates Aspen Ski Boat and Riley Blair wiped away tears as they remembered their friend Grace Maxwell.
She was a really close and dear friend of ours, and a really bright light in our lives. The unit feels so empty without her.
University says Grace was returning to campus from Wichita, Kansas, where she was attending her grandfather's funeral. She had a connecting flight in Washington, D.C. The school says more than half of the 6,400 students who attend Cedarville gathered at its Christian Mission Center to remember the third-year student.
So we grieve and we're sad, and we don't know why a young, bright, shining star was taken from us way too soon.
Also killed in the crash was Elizabeth Keys, a 2010 graduate of Madeira High School who died on her 33rd birthday. Elizabeth's mother, Mary, tells Fox 19, quote, "Words cannot express how deeply Elizabeth, my Bitsy, will be missed. We are filled with unbearable sorrow and despair at our loss." Cincinnati-based GE Aviation says one of its employees was on board the American Airlines flight. In a statement to Fox 19, Chairman and CEO Larry Culp said, "This is a tragedy not only for our industry, but also for the GE Aerospace team, as one of our cherished colleagues, Vikesh Patel, was on board the flight. Our hearts are with his family and all those impacted by this horrific accident." And although he didn't mention specific victims, Middletown's Vice Mayor Steve West posted on social media that the tragedy has affected some Middletown families. Riley Blair says the last time she spoke to Grace was just before she left town.
I just gave well wishes for her going to her grandfather's funeral, so looking back on it, it's really
Grace Maxwell was a junior majoring in mechanical engineering and a minor in biomedical engineering. Her friends said that she set out to combine the two disciplines and was working on a project to develop a prosthetic device to help an 8-year-old boy who couldn't use his arms feed himself. Live in Cedarville, Mike Schell, Fox 19 Now.
Mike, thank you.